How to calculate gaining ratio on retirement. The gaining ratio is used when a partner retires from a partnership firm. It represents the share of the retiring partner's profit that the remaining partners gain. This calculation is crucial for redistributing the retiring partner's profit-sharing ratio among the remaining partners in accordance with their agreed terms. What is the gaining ratio? The gaining ratio is the difference between a partner's new profit-sharing ratio and their old profit-sharing ratio. It shows how much of the retiring partner's share each remaining partner will acquire. For example, if a partner's old ratio was 3/10 and their new ratio becomes 5/10, the gain is 2/10. The gaining ratio is used to determine the compensation the remaining partners owe the retiring partner, particularly for goodwill or revaluation adjustments. Formula for gaining ratio. The formula is simple. Gaining ratio equals new ratio, old ratio. This calculation is performed for each remaining partner. Step-by-step calculation. Step 1. Identify old ratios. Determine the profit-sharing ratio of all partners, including the retiring partner, before retirement. Step 2. Determine new ratios. Agree on the new profit-sharing ratio among the remaining partners after the retiring partner leaves. Step 3. Calculate gaining ratio. For each remaining partner, subtract their old ratio from their new ratio. Example of gaining ratio calculation. Let's consider a partnership firm with 3 partners, A, B, and C. Old ratios: A, 3 out of 10, B, 4 out of 10, C, 3 out of 10. Partner A is retiring. New ratios for remaining partners, B and C: B, 6/10, C, 4 out of 10. Step 1. Calculate gaining ratio for B. New ratio for B is 6 out of 10. Old ratio for B is 4 out of 10. Gaining ratio for B is 6/10 minus 4/10, which equals 2/10. Step 2. Calculate gaining ratio for C. New ratio for C is 4 out of 10. Old ratio for C is 3 of 10. Gaining ratio for C is 4/10 minus 3/10, which equals 1/10. Gaining ratios. B, 2 out of 10. C, 1 out of 10. This means that out of partner A's 3/10 share, B gains 2/10 and C gains 1/10. Importance of gaining ratio. Goodwill distribution. The gaining ratio is used to calculate the contribution of each remaining partner towards compensating the retiring partner for goodwill. Profit redistribution. Ensures that the retiring partner's share is appropriately redistributed among the remaining partners. Transparency. Maintains fairness and clarity in financial adjustments during retirement. Quick recap. Formula. Gaining ratio equals new ratio, old ratio. Use. Redistribute the retiring partner's profit share among remaining partners. Example. If a partner's old ratio is 4/10 and the new ratio is 6/10, the gain is 2/10. Goodwill adjustment. Use the gaining ratio to calculate the compensation owed for goodwill. Calculating the gaining ratio ensures a smooth financial transition during a partner's retirement, promoting fairness and clarity in the redistribution of profits and goodwill.